Every thought you repeat is shaping your brain. Literally. Your brain isn't fixed. It's plastic. Not like Tupperware, but in the scientific sense of neuroplasticity. That means it's constantly reshaping itself based on what you do, what you think, and what you experience. Every repetition of a thought or action strengthens the neural pathway that supports it. Think of it like this. Every time you take the same mental route, like negative self-talk or procrastination, you're carving a groove in your brain. Do it enough and it becomes automatic. That's why it feels like habits and thoughts just happen, because in a way they do. But here's the unlock. If repetition created it, repetition can rewire it. Let's say you have a belief like, I'm not disciplined. You didn't wake up with that thought one day. It was repeated in your mind, reinforced by action or failure, and now it feels true. But it's not truth. It's a well-practiced pattern. Change the pattern. Change the belief. Repetition is how elite athletes build automatic reactions. It's how musicians master complex pieces. It's how confident people train their self-talk. It's not magic. It's neuroplasticity at work. So if your default mode is anxiety, doubt, or distraction, you're not broken. You're just rehearsed, and you can rehearse something better. The key is consistency, not intensity. You don't have to be perfect. You have to be repetitive. Do the right thing over and over until your brain can't ignore it. Then it becomes the new default. New. Mindset, repeat it. New habit, repeat it. New identity, repeat it. Your brain listens to what you do repeatedly, not what you wish you believed. As the saying goes, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Will Durant. The science backs it up too. Studies show that synaptic strength increases with repetition. It's called long-term potentiation, a fancy way of saying your brain remembers what it sees often. So every time you override that impulse to quit, every time you replace negative self-talk with something better, you're not just making a choice. You're rewiring your mind. If you want to change your life, change what you repeat. Because in the end, repetition is reputation, and your brain believes what it sees the most. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to start rewiring with intention.